Hello friends, welcome back to my sessions. So today we will be going to write a Java program to find the second largest element in an array. So as usual, I will be going to put the comments in a code for a better understanding, and all the comments will be in a very detailed oriented way. So step by step, I will just going to start with. So in a very first step, I will create an array with some numbers. So create an array with some numbers. Fine. So, for example, if I take one array, for example, 12, 45, 1, 99, 23, 76. So here the largest element is 99. And the second largest element is 76. Fine. So for now, I'm just copying this integer array. So int array of numbers. Fine. Now in our step 2. Fine. So in our step 2, we will assume two variables. So the largest to store the biggest number, and second largest to store second biggest number. Fine. So initially set them to minimum value. So how we will set it to minimum value? We have one way, that is integer dot min, somewhat like this. Fine. So that any number in the array will be bigger. Any number in an array will be bigger. So let's see. We'll give int largest equals integer dot min value, and int second largest equals integer dot min value. Fine. Now in our step 3, we will loop through the array. Fine. What we'll do? We will loop through an array. So for each number we check. If number is greater than largest, so we will update second largest equals largest. Okay. And we will update largest equals number. And second condition we'll give is else if number is greater than second largest and number is not equal to largest. So in that case, update second largest equals number. Fine. So we'll give here for, I'm just commenting each and every line team for a better understanding. So for int numbers, so we'll give one condition here, if num is greater than largest. Fine. So if num is greater than largest, so this is the case if we found new largest. Okay, if we found new largest, so update second largest first. Okay, update second largest first. So we'll give second largest equals largest and largest equals num. Fine. Else if num is greater than second largest and num is not equal to largest. Fine. So this means if number is smaller than largest but greater than second largest, so we'll give second largest equals num. Fine. Now in our step 4, we will print result. So print result, like example, for array (12, 45, 1, 99, 23, 76), this only we took. Okay, so here if you see, largest is 99 and second largest is 76. So we'll do one thing. If second largest equals integer dot minimum value, in that case give no second largest element found. Okay, so array may have all elements same. Okay, array may have all elements same. Fine. And do one thing, give here one else condition, else the second largest element is second largest. Fine team. So now let's run this and see the logic which we have implemented is working fine. Perfect. So you could see here The second largest element is 76. If you could see here, 12, 45, 199, 23, 76. The second largest element is 76. So this is the expected output which was actually required. So I hope you understood this logic and you really enjoyed this session. If you really enjoyed this session, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.